iPhone battery draining fast all of a sudden. So here is how to fix it. So first thing first, open the settings app on your mobile device, and now inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the general. Inside general, tap on the background app refresh option available there. Now inside there, you can see on the top there is background app refresh option available. Simply tap on it and make sure it is in turned off option available there. If it is in turned on or Wi-Fi or cellular data, then simply make sure that you tap on the off option available there. After you do so, go back to the settings general again. Once you go back to the settings general, all you have to do is tap on the software update option available there, because software update fixes many temporary issues or glitches in your phone. After you tap on the software update, you will get to see update or install option available there if you have not updated your software yet. So make sure that your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. After you do so, go back to the settings again. Now inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the accessibility option available there. Inside accessibility, tap on display and text size. Now scroll down till the bottom, and there you will get to see auto brightness option available. Simply toggle the switch on. After you do so, again go back to the settings, and now the last option is location services. So basically you know that the most draining battery is used by the location. Simply tap on the privacy and security, then tap on the location and services, then go through the apps and make sure that the apps are on never option available there. Simply tap on the app and simply tap on the never, because the location drains out the most battery in your iPhone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.